Syllables Made Simple. I teach English classes, and I'm surprised how many intermediate and advanced level students don't understand syllables. I know that learning about syllables isn't the most exciting topic, but to speak English well, it's important to understand at least a little bit about syllables. Understanding syllables can help you read, spell, and pronounce words. So in this video, I'm going to teach you what I teach my students about syllables. So what is a syllable? A syllable is a part of a word. For example, banana. Banana has 3 syllables. There are 3 parts to the word. Banana. Now the rules for syllables that we're going to talk about, there's 2 of them. The first one is that all words have 1 or more syllables. And the second is that all syllables have 1 vowel sound. It's vowel sound and not vowels because some vowels are silent, but vowel sounds. And the vowels, just to remind you, are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. It depends on the sound that the Y makes. So let's go back to our word banana. We have ba, so that has the sound, 1 vowel sound. And na, another vowel sound, and na, banana. So 3 vowel sounds, 3 syllables. If you have difficulty with this, put your hand under your chin where the red arrow is and say banana. Each time you feel your chin touch your hand, that is 1 syllable. When you say banana, your chin should touch your hand 3 times. Try it. Banana, banana. Did your hand touch your chin 3 times? Excellent. Let's look at some examples. Park. Park has 1 vowel, the A. Park has 1 vowel sound, the A. So park has 1 syllable. Here's another example. School. School has 2 vowels, the 2 O's. But it only has 1 vowel sound, the oo. The 2 O's make the oo sound. So school has 1 syllable. Garage. Garage has 3 vowels, 2 A's and an E. But it only has 2 vowel sounds. The letter E is silent. So garage has 2 syllables. If you put your hand under your chin and say garage, your chin should touch your hand 2 times. Playground. Playground has 4 vowels, the A, the Y, the O, and the U. It only has 2 vowel sounds. The A and the Y make 1 sound, the A sound in play, and the O and the U make 1 sound, the OW sound in ground. Playground has 2 syllables. Library. Library has 3 vowels. We're counting the Y as a vowel because it has a vowel sound to it. Library has 3 vowel sounds. The I, the A, and the Y all make a separate sound. So library has 3 syllables. Supermarket. How many syllables in supermarket? Take a look at that for a moment. Pause the video if you want. There are 4 vowels, a U, an E, an A, and another E, and 4 vowel sounds. The U, the E, the A, and the other E all make a sound. None of them are silent. Supermarket. So there are 4 syllables. Supermarket. There are many other things you can learn about syllables. There's all kinds of rules and guides for how to divide words. but most students do fine with this level of understanding. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And as always, thank you.